Hi, I'm Kevin, and this is a Kevin's Shop video. This is the Dyson DC Animal that I found on the side of the road, and I repaired it by finding a clog in the elbow in the back of the unit, and I just went through it and cleaned it all up and cleaned out the filter really well. But I really wanted to demonstrate the way, the power that these vacuums have. I've repaired a lot of vacuums over the years, and this one has an incredible amount of suction, and I wanted to come up with a way to demonstrate the power. So I have this idea of building an actuator, which was like a cylinder with a piston in it. Instead of working under pressure, it would work under vacuum and have a drawing effect. It would draw the piston up into the cylinder. And so I'm going to build one of those so that I can demonstrate to you how powerful these vacuums are. This is the vacuum actuator that I made, and this is made out of a 2-foot piece of 6-inch drain pipe. And then I turned a piston out of some plastic lumber, and then this is a 1/2-inch shaft, and then I have a little stopper here. And this goes into this. This end has a plastic cap on it with a hole for the piston rod, and then I have these cables which I'm going to use to support it from the ceiling. And then this just assembles in here. This fits real nice and tight, enough so it can slide back and forth. And then this is just a rubber cap that I'll put on the top here and tighten that down to make a tight seal. This is what I came up with to challenge my vacuum. I'm going to use this milk crate, and I'm going to build a load from these bricks. Now each of these bricks weighs 4 pounds, and I've got this postal scale here, and I'll put that on there, and you can see that our weight is at 4 pounds. And what I'm going to do is fill this crate up with bricks and see how much weight this vacuum can lift using my vacuum actuator. So for comparison purposes, I have a Hoover upright vacuum that I've also found on the side of the road and repaired. And this one, I've got my setup here. I've got my actuator attached to the ceiling, and I have the vacuum cleaner attached to the actuator. The actuator is lifting a milk crate, and what I've done is I've placed 5 bricks in the milk crate. They're 4 pounds each, so that makes it a 20-pound load, and we'll show you what this particular vacuum can do. And then I have a milk crate, and I put in 10 4-pound bricks in there, so we have a 40-pound weight, and I wanted to show the power of this Dyson vacuum lifting this 40-pound weight.